Hey there, buds. Welcome to the first episode of Michael's MMBM Moments, and I'm your host, Michael. Today, we're here to learn more about birds, because if you haven't heard, the bird is the word. Let's get started. Step one is to find a bird. Now, you can use that fancy app that they created, and it shows you a map with a bunch of birds on it, but I found it more effective to use a bird call. Here's a couple examples.
Ship, 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 ship.
Meh. 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 Mates, I think I see a bed. We got a bed. You can tell by the way it is. All right, let's get going. Step two when riding a bird is to make sure you have a helmet. Whether you're riding an ostrich, a turkey, or one of them two-wheel doohickeys there, you gotta make sure you have a helmet so we don't crack any eggs. Step three, we're gonna rip the bird. This baby's unlocked, ready to fly out of her cage. I think it's time to go. Step four and the final step is to let your bird free. Now, most birds really enjoy standing up on sidewalks out of the way of people trying to walk by. If you leave your bird in that spot, that bird will be a happy bird. Now that we know where birds like to be set free, a couple spots that I call not ideal for birds to be. The first one is in the middle of the park laying down. Birds also do not feel very free when they're sitting in the middle of the road. For example, birds are also outdoor animals, so we don't want to leave them inside. Thanks for watching, buds. Now that you're all prepared, go ahead and send it on a bird for me. It's a hoot, I tell ya. Also, do me a favor and fly on over to my YouTube page and hit subscribe. This will keep you up to date on all of Michael's future MMBM moments. Till next time, adios. I'll see you then.